Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Creative in Laboratory. And so today we are gonna teach you how to make a very simple power bank. So this power bank is literally very cheap. I actually completed the entire project in just $2. This is not very hard to make because you are not gonna make any circuit or like that. So here's what you will need. First, you will need a car charger. I cannot show you because I already opened it, but I'm gonna put a picture out there. When you take out the car charger, it has a circuit inside which looks like this little thing. So here you can see that there's two USB USB outputs, and you will need a 9-volt battery. I suggest this 9-volt battery because it is quite small, but also at the same time, if you want the power bank to last long, then you shall use some rechargeable lithium ion batteries which are 3.7 volts each. You shall connect 3 of them in series in order to get 11.1 volt. Also, they are very beneficial because you can recharge them easily with a 12-volt adapter. And if you use 3800 mAh batteries, then they can last for approximately more than 5 hours. So that's perfect. Now let's begin making it. First, you're gonna take the car charger and you need to see which one is the positive and which one is the negative. So generally the tip part is the positive and the side parts are the negative. You can see clearly from the picture. After opening, I got two prongs here. This one is the negative and this one is the positive. So then your work is simply to connect this to your 9-volt battery and voila, you are done. There you go. After completing your soldering, you should always turn your soldering iron off before doing anything else. As you can see here, my circuit has been turned on. Now let me show you how this thing actually works. So here I have my two data cables because it has two outputs. Let me connect these to the output. Then these are the prongs which would go to the mobile phone. It's charging. So here I have my tablet charging, I have my mobile phone charging. Yeah, there you go. It's charging. And I can also have some of my other devices such as my headphones. There you go. The red light indicates that it's charging. So it's a pretty good power bank. Now let me disconnect all the supplies, and you guys should implement using a switch, because otherwise the entire battery will run out and it will be of no use. Then you can also put it into a case, a very simple case, and then you're ready to go with this pocket power bank. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share this video with other people. Keep supporting me and I will keep posting these videos to help you in your daily life.